Microwave cookies, ready in 1 minute. Let's start by adding 1 tbsp sugar and 1 tbsp butter to the container. It can be melted or softened. Next, we'll add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then, 1 tablespoon of milk. Now, let's mix everything well. When the dough's ready, we'll add chocolate. Use as much as you like. Let's mix again. Now we'll start kneading with our hands. After shaping it, let's put it on parchment paper. Give it another squeeze. I'll top it with chocolate as much as you want. All set. Now let's microwave it. We'll cook it for about 1.5 minutes. Look how amazing these cookies are. Quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. Just look how tasty it is. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs. See you next time and thanks.